Conrad. Apparently, it premieres in 2 hours. Scheduled for 11/23/2022, 4:05 p.m. You refresh. Starting soon, nerd.
We're not gonna wait. Can you stop music? Shut up, music. Shut up. Hello? Can you... Please? This is going terribly. Okay. Hello, welcome to the stream. This is going very good. Very good.
No.
Like, the best it could possibly be. Conrad might sound a little weird because he's on his phone for some reason. So.
It's because of my dumb internet.
First of all, let me go to youtube.com.
You betcha.
Today we're gonna be doing HTML. Doing some coding, some very sexy coding. So that's fun.
No. Yeah.
Conrad knows a lot about coding.
What?
Conrad knows a lot about coding. Even though we're going to be using the most, like, easiest coding language to learn. I literally have learned it in 2 days. Okay, not 2 days. Like, a week. And we're good.
Why is my internet being so dumb?
I don't know, why is it, Conrad, huh?
I don't know why is it, Alex. It's all your fault.
Huh? Huh? Conrad, join the live VC right now. Conrad, are you gonna join the live VC? There he is. Hi, Conrad.
Me personally.
Here. Join. Hashtag. Live. I can't do hashtags. I knew that. Here. Live. VC2 in my live stream if you want. Alright. Copy. Go to YouTube on my phone. And then change my account. Switch account. Alex DM. No. Or not. Lies. Alright. If you want to join the Discord, I'll put the link in the chat soon. Because I know all of you really want to join the Discord server. I'm live. Can I...
That's being live.
Paste. Post. There you go. I posted it on my main channel. Community tab. Alright. So, let me open VS Code. And we will go.
Go with the flow.
Exactly. It's going very good. Hold on, I'm gonna actually invite people. Edit link. Never. Right, generate new link. Copied. OBS. Join the Discord, or I don't know.
Wait, how do I have internet? Okay, buddy.
Can I pin this in OBS? No, I can't. So it will just be in chat. Let me open a new file.
Restart my internet. Maybe that'll work.
Imagine.
But who knows? Because it hasn't been working all day. So like, yeah.
Why is this all being so laggy? Holy crap. Can you be nice to me, computer? All I clicked was new folder. Why is this taking a decade to load? There we go. Live stream. Select folder. Crap. Let me copy that link again. All right. So, let me make it so I can actually see this. We're gonna go with see if you can. If I click it, there we go. I think we're here. I think we're good. I think we're all good now. I think we're all very, very good. So, this is VS Code. If you have never heard of it, it's very good code editing software, very well known. And we're gonna do HTML and CSS, I guess, but that's mainly the same thing. I counted that's the same thing, so shut up. All right, we're gonna be making a beautiful website for no reason at all, because I'm not gonna set it up as an actual website. New file, home.html. We also gotta set up if we want images. I'm gonna make a new folder, images, and a new folder. No, not inside that folder. CSS styles.css. There we go. Basic run of the mill. Amazing thing right there. Very cool. I know. I'm very cool. I'll shut up. Anyway, so we're just gonna real quick just add the basic stuff. Why is it not? There we go. Oh, I think Conrad's having some troubles right now with his internet. He just texted me saying, I can't right now, Alex. My Wi-Fi just sucks. Well, that sucks. For you. Get better Wi-Fi. Anyway. So. We're gonna, so this is like the name of the page there. Let me open Google. Like right here, it says AlexDM Live-YouTube. And I can change that to be whatever, so I'm just gonna name it home. We also need a link. The styles, the CSS thing, so we're gonna go CSS/styles.css. And we're good. And if I save that, right click, open with live server, which that just makes it so it has like a fake, it mainly runs its thing on my computer. If it will load and actually work, please. Why is it not working? Open with live server. Are you gonna open with live server, buddy? That'd be pretty cool. There we go. It's on the wrong thing though. I want it to be on this tab. Or just open in a new window. So this is our fancy website. We got home. So that's what we see there. And then it's just a blank site. It doesn't really matter. Anyway. Alright. So in the body is mainly where we actually do everything. So I'm just gonna do an H1, naming it welcome. There. No. hello there, internet. Actually, I'm gonna use a span thing right here. Span internet user. And capitalize the T. Save that. Automatically refreshes. There you go. Very fancy. I'm gonna close this. Very fancy website. It's got hello there, internet user. Now, I'm gonna put this as a class, as just title. Go in here. Dot title. And then also dot span. No, I think it's just span. I don't think we put it dot because it's not a class. Anyway, we're gonna do text align center. So if you do that, there you go. It's in the middle. Now I'm gonna make that text a bit bigger. So font size. Let's try 100 pixels. Yeah, that's good. And then in here, first of all, let me actually go back into home and the body, do styles. Wait, I think I can just do it in here, right? Well, let me save that just to make sure. Can I just do body, background, color, black? No, background, color. Yeah, there we go. And then this needs to be the color of white so it actually shows up. And then this and the span will actually be a color of black, but this will have a background color of white. There. So it flips it. Oh crap. There. As you can see, it shows that. But that doesn't look very professional now, does it? First of all, we're going to add a padding to the border, or to the background, to make it a bit bigger. And we're just going to do 5 pixels. Open that. It's a bit bigger. Alright. Then, border radius, make it circular. Let's do 10 pixels. Check that out. What does that look like? It has a little curve at the edges. I wonder if I did 100 pixels to make it like completely curved on the edges, how that would look. Nah, that does not look good at all. I guess I don't know. No, I'm gonna go back to full screen. All right, 10 pixels. Very good, very good, very good. All right, so I guess we can do like a navigation thing. So first of all, we need to make a new page, not in CSS. The main thing named about.html. And then just do all this again. About. And then link. Styles. No. CSS/styles. CSS there. Now, we need to make a navigation thing up here. So above H1 class, we're actually going to make a div thing. Alright, and then we're going to make it a class of nav. Alright. Very good. We're going to add mainly a link. Link it to about.html. In the middle of this, we're going to add a no, a button. Let's name it about. So now if we save that, go back here, it should just be able to click this. It'll bring us to about.html. Very good. Alright, well, let's add some customization to that button. So, go back into the styles.css, and we're going to drag it to the end. And then .nav. And then let's just make it. First of all, I think is it font size? I always forget. Font size. Let's do 40 pixels. I don't think that worked. Yeah, how do you change the size of a button? I always forget. Is it... Just try size 40 pixels. Nope. How to change the size of a button in CSS. It is font size, then why did it... Why would you... I'm confused. It's because we're doing it in a div class. Here, let me add the class of nav into this. Save that. Font size 40 pixels. Now it works. It's not nice. Alright. Let's do 60, see what that actually looks like. It's a bit big, let's do 50. Alright. And then, save that first of all. No. Do a background color. No! Color of gray. Make this a bit lighter. Because we're going to do little nice animations. We're going to do dot nav. And we are back. Alright, let's continue. And then we're going to do transform, I think. Scale 1.05. So now if we save that, go back here. That did not work. I don't like the background color. I think if we just change it to color, it'll work though. Yeah. But it does. Is it a different? I'm confused. Oh, wait. This is not supposed to have pixels. This is just supposed to be a number. It might be. Yeah, there you go. I don't know why it's moving over there. Oh, it's because it's okay. Then you get rid of the div class. Hold on. That's my fault. Alright. So now if we go back. Yeah. But that doesn't look that good. So what we're going to do is first of all, transition. Let's do 0.5 seconds. Also going to do color. It's equal to gray. Save that. Hover over it. As you can see, looks a bit better. Yeah, very good. Anyway, so yeah, that's mainly the trans. Oh, wait, wait. I have an idea. I'm going to put this to nav button. Copy that. No. Paste it there. Save that. Home. Add back that div class. Forgot the hotkey. There. Put all that in there. Why is there an extra end? Don't know. And then add a class of nav. Rename this to nav button. Check that out. So it works. And do dot nav. And do background color of dark gray. It's not dark enough. Go like down there. All right. Funny number. All right. Then we're gonna do padding. 20 pixels. Border radius. 10 pixels. Save that. Check it out. As you can see, looks a lot better. So here's our like navigation, I guess. I actually don't really like colors of the button. Go like that, and then save that. There, that's better. Alright. So now whenever you click on that, it'll bring you. Oh, I was waiting for something to load, and then I realized there's nothing in the about page. I'm dumb. I'm just dumb. Alright. So it's very good. It's a very good website, I know. Now we gotta add that into the about page. So what we can do is just copy that, go to the body, paste that, save that, and go to about. See, it's here, but we don't want it to bring you to the about page. We want to bring you back to the home page. Place that like that, save that, and then go back. And there you go. Very good. Nice and easy. We also, or I'm going to, back here, and then make a new H1, and then span about. Oh, we also need to put that in the title. Your class title. There. There we go. Got a little nice title right there. Go back to home. And it still stays the same. Alright. Very good. Very simple. You know what? I feel like a funny right now. I'm going to add the thumbnail I made for this right here. Back to the home page, and we're gonna add that right there. Image source images / a.png alt funny image. Save that. Go back to home. Very cool, but it's not centered. So we're gonna add a class. Let's name it A. Save that. I don't know what we didn't save there. Not A. No. And then, oh my gosh. Is it align items center? No. First of all, put the scale to like, what does that look like? Oh, that's, no, way too small. I'm guessing 1 is just the original, yeah. So let's do 0.5. It's better. Okay, now time to look up how to align images to the center in CSS. It's always good to look up how to do stuff whenever you're a beginner. Or you just forget. Oh yeah, you gotta do all this fancy stuff. So let me not copy this. All my original code right here. All right. There we go. Very cool. I don't like how there's a space right there. All right, so we got our fancy image right there. Very cool. Very interesting website. All right. Well, I'm getting bored. This is probably boring for you guys too. No one probably cares right now. So, what we're gonna do is some Scratch. That's what we're gonna do. We're doing Scratch now. And let me change the title. If I can. Scratch stream. Save. I'm gonna have to do an OBS. I don't know. Let me look. Okay, I think I gotta do it in OBS. If I know how to. Um. I don't know. I do not know. Need me to do that. Huh. Guess we'll never know. Alright, we're just gonna continue with this then. Alright. So I am working on a very fancy thing. Just realize I can get out of my mic. Okay. So I'm making a coding language in Scratch. It's kind of going meh. I'm getting confused about this one thing because I don't know what to do. But this is unreleased. So anyone, this is the one person that is me that is watching. You're cool because you're gonna know what it looks like. All right, let's wait for this to load. So we can also close that. All right, so here it is. It's very laggy for some reason. Holy crap. Why is Scratch lagging? How does Scratch lag? I don't know. Do I have this on my... I don't think I do. Oh wait, it's right here. So, how this works. I kind of base it off of HTML. I know I don't know. Okay, so how we start this amazing coding language is you don't have anything to start, but you have something to end, which is in the carrots, or I don't know what they're called. End. So that's what you do whenever you want to end it. So you can't put anything below it, but you can't put stuff above it. Now, first of all, how to write comments, you just do a hashtag and then whatever. You can't add spaces or anything. It has to be comment. If you want a space, you just have to put a comment and then your code. And then that's not. So first, we're going to create an object. So we do in carrots create and then space obj. That stands for object. And then the next thing is the name or ID of the object. So we're just going to name it object 1. Very cool. Okay, and then another set of characters are going to be your properties of the object. So like, if you want to define the x position, just put it to 0. And then to end off this property, you put semicolon. And to add another property, you add a comma. And then you put your property. So we're going to do y as 100. And off with the colon. I was going to do costume is equal to 1, or no, 2, which is a circle. Alright. And then another carry here. And then you're going to do enter, put another one there. So this is where you're going to write the code for your object. So all through this, and then right at the end, this is where you put new code. So first, we're going to do point, I have to remember this too, point at dot mouse. So obviously point at your mouse pointer. You can also do move dot 10. And you always have to end now in a semicolon. I just kind of combine those. And then, so mainly this is your basic object. So if you game. So if we do that, go back here, desktop. Alright, and then we go to code, and then put, if you know, Scratch doesn't run at 8 frames per second, put that in there. Oh, I forgot it does this stupid thing. So now I actually have to go back, because Scratch is, you know, stupid. First of all, I have to delete that. And then copy that. Wait an hour for it to register. There we go. And then if we run, and then click space, wait a second. There we go. That is not a circle. Maybe it's 1 that's a circle. As you can see, it's normally not this laggy. It's probably because I'm streaming. As you can see, very cool. Very nice. Very easy. So now say, okay. Say, alright. You want to create a wall, okay? You want to create like a wall of just squares. So you would just start out with your first object, just have no code or anything, and then you would make another one. So let me just copy this. And that takes a decade though, and then you just change the X by whatever, and that just takes like a decade, and then you just do that for how many blocks you want. So what I created was, if you add after the obj as the type of that you want to create, put line. It creates a line of the exact same obj with all the same code and everything, which we don't really need in code. And with the ID, whenever you have, so we can get rid of the 1. Whenever it creates it, you can't obviously have the same ID. So object, and then it puts in parentheses 1 for the first one, and then 2, and then 3, then so on. How many you want? But what you have to do is right before you put the code, you put first of all how many times you want to copy it. And let's do 5 followed by the amount you want to change the X by, so it doesn't get all clamped in the middle. So what we're going to do is, if it will let me, go to costumes. So 99, so around 99 pixels, or I'll change by 99. Save that. I'm just going to copy this, paste it right here, delete those two, and then run the code. As you can see, it makes a line, which I guess I went a bit over. Try like 85. Try like 75. Let's try like 65. Try like 60. There you go. So that's a really easy way for you to make like a complete line of the same object instead of having to write it every 2 seconds. So yeah, it's very cool. And you can also, so let me just, actually first of all put the, wait a decade, put that to negative 240, and then place that with like 20. There we go, and it's like an entire line. And then if we, I don't know if this is gonna lag or something. Probably will. I actually haven't even tested it with the actual code, so this might all break. But if we add the same code as we did for the first example, point at, no, dot mouse, and then move 10. Let's see what happens. Oh, I'm surprised it works. I don't know if this is like because it's lagging and it's because something is breaking, or if it's just because I'm streaming or something. Probably the second one. Holy crap. I wonder. Okay, say we change it to 200. I'm sorry. Oh crap. Oh. They're all just clamped right here. Alright. Well, that's a cool stream. You've been streaming for